While giving him coffee, Taehyung asked him, "What problem did they have with you that they hired goons to kill you?" Jungkook told him about that problem while drinking coffee and said, "All this problem started 17 days ago. I had just reached in front of their building for a photo shoot for Sky Group, when for the first time I saw her going inside the building. Her hair waving in the air, those black sunglasses on her eyes. Looking at them, it seemed as if an angel from heaven had come and stood in front of my eyes. But as soon as the photo shoot started, I realized that the one whom I was thinking to be an angel turned out to be a dangerous vamp. All the people present at the shoot were trembling with her wrath as if they had seen Yamraj in front of them." Then Jimin said to him with curiosity, "How did this horror story start in romance?" Just then a message came on Taehyung's mobile which read, "It's an emergency, come and meet me in the office as soon as possible." On seeing that message, Taehyung stopped Jungkook before he could say anything and said to him seriously, "We will see Suzy later, first we have to go to King Group as soon as possible. Wear your black suits and get ready, boys. Grandpa needs us," he said smiling. In a few moments, all three of them got ready wearing black suits. They were all moving towards King Group in the car. None of the three knew what problem Mr. Kim had faced, due to which he asked them to come to the office as soon as possible. As soon as the three reached the office, people started talking about them on seeing that black car. Someone tauntingly said, "Here, the chairman's favorite has come, and his two friends." Then someone said, "Looks like there is going to be a big explosion in the office again today." As soon as they got out of that black car, everyone saw that all three were wearing black suits and all three had masks on their faces. All three of them were getting out of the car with their swag and were moving towards the office. Everyone's eyes were on those three only. No one in the office knew how Mr. Kim's grandson and his friends looked, but whenever they came, something big used to happen in this office. Taehyung, Jimin and Jungkook, all three started moving straight towards Mr. Kim's office. Some girls present outside the office were looking at them with loving eyes. One girl, looking into Taehyung's eyes, said, "Oh my! His eyes are so beautiful, just like a serene lake. The more I look into them, the deeper I drown." Another girl, staring at Jimin, said, "But I prefer his friend's sharp mind. He fixes any company problem in a snap, whether it's legal or illegal." Then another girl walked over and, looking at the stylish Jungkook, said, "Say whatever you want, but to me, he's the most handsome. His style, his attitude, everything about him screams model vibes." The two girls looked at her in surprise and said, "But how do you know? No one has ever seen their faces. Without seeing them, how can you say who's the most handsome?" Here, as soon as the three reached Mr. Kim's cabin, they saw Mr. Kim sitting on his chair and relaxing and watching an online comedy serial on the computer. As soon as they see Taehyung, Jimin and Jungkook, they get shocked. They did not expect this thing. As soon as Taehyung sees this, he gets angry with his grandfather and says, "You called me here by lying. Seeing you like this, I have understood that there is no emergency here." Then Mr. Kim got up from his seat and went to Taehyung and said to him, "Hey Tae, I have really called you here for an important work." On hearing this, Taehyung looked at him with suspicious eyes and asked, "Are you saying the truth?" As soon as he said this, Mr. Kim started taking Taehyung, Jimin and Jungkook towards a conference hall. All three of them were unaware of where and why Mr. Kim was taking them. As soon as Mr. Kim reached in front of the conference hall, two people opened a big door for him. As soon as that door opened, Taehyung, Jimin and Jungkook's eyes were wide open because news agencies from all over Korea were sitting in that hall. As soon as Taehyung saw them, he slowly asked his grandfather Mr. Kim, "Grandpa, what do you want to do?" Mr. Kim looks at her with a smile and while taking her to the press conference he says, "You will know in just 1 minute, Tae." To be continued. What is Mr. Kim going to do? Why is Suzy after Jungkook? Why are Taehyung, Jimin and Jungkook hiding their real identities? Stay tuned to Love as a Deal to know more.